everybody, welcome back to Glastenbury Designs Workshop. I'm glad you're able to join us. We're blessed to have you. Today I'm just going to do a little bit of an update on the shop because I don't have any particular build videos ready or milling videos. We've had an exciting week here at Glastenbury Designs, and I'd like to share a little bit with you, just an update. So I finished out the handle boards. They're ready. I just talked to the retailer today. I'm going to go up and drop those off at the shop, get those on their floor so that they're able to be marketed over the long weekend. Pretty excited about that. Picked up a new subscriber this week, so that's good. That's the channel's growing, and I'm really happy about that. And I appreciate everybody that has subscribed. Your support's been tremendous. Specifically, I want to thank Eric Olson and David Sims. Both you guys, you're always watching, you're always commenting on my videos, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Also, I got a new cutting board order this week. Some people are interested in buying some more boards from me. Repeat customers, that's always great to have a repeat customer. And I get to bring you guys along with me in the steps of building the boards. We're starting a new cutting board series as well. And what I mean by that is, I'm going to go through the steps of me building up all the cutting boards that we offer and what I refer to as my sportsman line. We've already started that video. It's in progress, and the builds are in progress. So that's going to be a nice thing to have to share with you guys as well. I got a call this week about a walnut tree. We went down and milled up some of that yesterday. Got a whole video on that, and I got another piece coming. My wife's uncle was putting an addition on his house. He called us up, said that he had the tree cut down, needs to get it out of there before they start construction. So I told him I'd come down and I'd try to get it milled up. We were able to get 3 of the logs yesterday. We got them milled up, got them back here. Got 12 slabs. Got four nice slabs out of each log, with varying thicknesses of 6 to 8/4. Next week I plan on going and getting the other part of that tree, and then there's a little bits and pieces that the tree company cut up. Probably all you're going to be able to do is use it for firewood, so that's fine. I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to this point. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you do. It would help the channel out and it would help my family. Also, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Also, feel free to share the video. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Feel free to ask any questions about the shop or the lumber milling. Also, if you're looking for specific videos and you're one of my viewers or you're a new viewer coming onto the channel, give me a comment. I want to try to accommodate people the best I can and offer the videos and the content that people are looking for the most. So until we see each other again, I just want to thank everybody for being here, and everybody stay blessed.